Every day there are millions of domains that are available, right? And they're either available because people don't want them anymore, so they put them up for auction. They actually decide, I'm going to sell these domains. Or more often than that, what happens is people, played around with domains, they did some stuff online, and they just kind of forget about them, right? So it happens every single day. And most of those domains, maybe they have some value, maybe they don't. But there are a few nuggets, right, that are wonderful. And the reason they're wonderful is that these domains are already ranking for a particular search term, right? So when you type in search term, search phrase, these domains come up. And for whatever reason, every day, many of these domains become available. And they're available in such a way that you can either bid on them to buy them at auction, or you can simply register them because they're available to be registered, or you can back order them, meaning that they're about to become available and you can get in line and get there and make sure that you get that domain when it does become available. So there's a host of different ways, but the bottom line is, right, every single day there are these, I would call them magic domains, right? They're magic because they already rank for something and they have instant traffic. We've got several very successful sites that are built on this principle, which is we were able to find these domains, they already rank, we get them, and immediately we have search engine traffic that come to our page, we simply monetize it, and that's it. You can use that for affiliate marketing, for e-commerce, info products, anything, right? It kind of just depends on what's the particular search phrase that this domain ranks for. Now, we've got a great tool, Domains on Fire, that's a pretty advanced tool that allows you to look at these every day and a whole bunch of other things, but that's not what I'm here to talk to you about. Wouldn't it be nice, right, instead of having to use a dedicated tool, Domains on Fire, and you go there and you have to actively look for these domains, wouldn't it be great, right, if just during your normal everyday searching, just every single day as you're making your living online or not, you're just perusing the web, you're doing some Google searches, wouldn't it be great if there was some way so that when you're looking at the search engine results, just again during the normal course of your day, if there was some kind of flag that would say, hey, hello, this domain is available. You were searching for this, maybe you were doing some research, maybe you were looking to buy something yourself, who knows what you're doing, right? We all use Google a million times a day. And so wouldn't it be great if it would pop up and simply say, this domain is available? Well, that's what this amazing plugin does. I can't tell you how incredible this is. Now, it's not, you're not going to find 15 domains a day, right? If you find one a month, that's 12 opportunities that can literally make you almost immediate income, because the hardest thing to do in internet marketing is get traffic, right? So this plugin sits there and looks for these amazing opportunities as you just go about your day, go about your research, go about your business during the day, and you find and isolate these domains that you can get. You buy them, you register them, whatever it is, it'll tell you what you need to do. You go get them, and you build a business around them. 10, 12 of these a year, and it's free money. So get this plugin. Absolutely, it will make a huge difference.